John here. This is Advanced World Studies. This is the Chapter 25 Reflection. Chapter 25 was a massive chapter on World War II and the Cold War, all in one chapter. I split 25 because I gave the Holocaust its own lesson. I wanted to give it more due credit than what it had in there. And then we ended up with a Strange History web quest just to do a little filler day, an easy Friday. PSSA's was right towards the beginning of this. Wow, it's just been physically, linearly a very long time. So I don't have any notes on here, which means nothing really in particular stuck out for 25 in terms of things not going the way I had planned. There is, the basic changes. I made the basic changes in this chapter. All the first pages were reformatted. Something happened with Canvas, though, and the way that charts are being built now, populated from toolbar, is different than it had been all year. So I've had to, from this point out, pretty much do HTML coding for the front pages, which doesn't take long. But, it's a minor inconvenience, really, to make all the lessons the same in that way. Pictures added to vocab. Basically, I go through every lesson and say, well, how can I make it better? The content's, for the most part, there. Sometimes I might say, oh, maybe I should explain this better. And then I do. Other than that, basic spelling errors. I think multiple virtual lessons for this one. With a World War II virtual lesson, I believe, and a Cold War virtual lesson. I did the World War II one so long ago, I don't even remember anything about it. But the Cold War one, there's still a ton of, there's just so much information packed in that it's hard to talk about it all in a 40-minute span. But we do it. It's basically World War II and the Cold War in 2 weeks. It's basically what we do. That's really it. Everything goes pretty well. When we get into modern history, it's a little more relatable. We're going to hit 26 and then do a paper, which I'm building right now. So that's it. Everything 25 went pretty well. No issues. 2 virtual lessons went well. It's just a lot of information. But it's what happens when you learn the history of the world in a single, 10-month span. Okay. See you next time.